Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you a summer drink which will keep you hydrated, prevent from heat stroke and loaded with a lots of goodness. And even you can carry this one to your workplace as well. So definitely try this recipe in this summer. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So for this, I have taken around 250 ml of water. Into this, I will put a tea bag. I have used the matcha green tea bag. You can use any kind of green tea for this drink. Next goes into this some chia seeds. Here I have added around 1 spoon of chia seeds. Then give it a mix. Now I will keep it aside for 5 minutes so that the chia seeds will soak properly. Then I have some sliced and chopped mango. Simply I will blend this. Make a note, I am not adding any extra sweetener. Even I am not adding water, I wanted just a paste-like consistency. I blended it into a smooth paste. Now I will remove the tea bag from this chia seed soaked water. Then this mango pulp goes into this water. I have added around 4 spoons of this mango pulp. Again, stir, stir, stir. Then I will squeeze a small slice of lemon into it. Lastly, I will squeeze juice of a small sliced orange. Stir it thoroughly. You can add 2 to 3 ice cubes and our summer drink is ready to serve. Try to make your own summer drinks at home. Don't spoil your health by drinking soft drinks or readily available juices. To get more healthy recipes like this, check out my healthy lifestyle playlist. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.